What's up folks, welcome to another video. I just bought Canon 50mm 1.8 aperture or $125. It's a really good lens. I'm having it for past 1 week shooting photos and just short time lapse now, which I'll be showing you in my intro. And here's my friend Harshil.
What's up guys, welcome to a new video on Rohan's channel.
Yeah, we are out, even he's shooting some vlogs and show you what's the review of my STM lens, which is very good for photography. What's up guys, we are just sitting in the bus stop and this is my lens. You can work as micro if you just do the correct position, but okay, leave that. And I'll show you some photos now, like where I shot bokeh shots at 1.8 aperture. It's really good for shooting bokeh and for cinematography. Didn't shoot B-rolls for the first time, but we'll be doing it.
We are not going with the trend. Usually we shoot a lot of B-rolls. In all the previous videos we put B-rolls somewhere in between.
Yeah.
So in this video it's all time lapses.
Yeah, and basic settings for time lapses is like multiple photos, combine it and make it a video. And other ways, just take a video of 10 minutes, run it up fast. That's it guys, time lapse ready. Yes, I would, and I was talking about the lens. I have my Canon 80D, which has 44 or 40 dual pixel autofocus, and it keeps up with it, no tensions for that, where you can so-called get the DSLR effect using the bokeh shots. Also follow me on Instagram, where I post incredible photos of landscape and portrait. Links in the description. My Instagram at Rohan8. And
my video will be up soon guys, so make sure you watch it.
His account, Instagram account and his YouTube channel will be in the links. So do not forget to subscribe.
And we are pretty sure that we are improving our content in every video that we upload, and this will go on and on till we continue with the channel. So make sure you stay tuned, because you never know, the best content is on the way.
Yes.
So yeah, that's it.
Absolutely. And do like the channel, subscribe, and all the sharing stuff. Comment about the lens if you like, do you would recommend or any styles of photography which which would help this with 50mm lens to take better shots. Let's meet you in the next video. Till that, bye bye, share bokeh, namaste, do whatever you want. Bye.